creative activity your child will love, let's make a simple name bracelet. Easy, colorful, and perfect for beginners.
You need alphabet beads, elastic string, scissors. That's all you need to get started. Cut a piece of elastic string long enough to fit around the wrist. Make sure to leave a little extra space for trying. Now, pick the name or word you want to create. Start threading the beads one by one onto the string. You can mix colors, add patterns, or keep it simple. It's up to you. Once you're done, carefully tie the ends of the string together. Make sure the knot is tight so the beads don't fall off. And just like that, you have your very own name bracelet, perfect to wear, gift, or even sell. Try this with your kids and let their creativity shine. Don't forget to follow for more fun and easy DIY ideas.